Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many users come across when using their devices. The issue at hand revolves around the inability to access a specific feature due to a misconfiguration or a setting that needs adjustment. This type of problem can be frustrating for users who rely on the feature for their daily tasks. But fret not, as we have a solution that will help you resolve this issue in no time. Now, let's talk about the solution to the problem we mentioned earlier. The key to resolving this issue lies in adjusting the settings of the feature in question. By navigating to the specific menu or section related to the feature, you can make the necessary changes to ensure it functions correctly. Remember, taking a time to familiarize yourself with the settings is crucial in finding the root cause of the problem. In addition to adjusting the settings, another effective solution is to reinstall the feature or application experiencing the issue. By uninstalling and then reinstalling it, you can often clear any glitches or errors that may be hindering its functionality. This simple yet effective solution is a go-to method for many users facing similar problems with their devices. In summary, encountering problems with device features is common, but with the right solutions, you can troubleshoot and resolve them quickly. Whether it's tweaking the settings or reinstalling the feature, taking proactive steps is key to getting your device back on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a little tech trouble can't stand in your way when you have the right solutions at your fingertips.